Hello friends, welcome to our channel Knowledge Amplifier, and in this particular short video I am going to show you one very important application of black top hat transformation in medical science. Okay, medical image processing. So for that particular demonstration purpose I have taken one MRI image of brain, and you can see it consists some white part or brighter part and some dark part. Right now suppose it is required to highlight the darker parts, okay, which are basically surrounded by brighter parts. Okay, then in that case we can use black top hat transformation, and as a result this particular border part which you can see is darker in this particular part, right, and here in this part which are basically darker but surrounded by brighter part, those will be highlighted if you take black top hat transformation. And to implement that I have taken different size of structuring element. Okay, I have taken disk structuring element. I am changing its size from 1 to 30. Each time I am implementing black top hat transformation, that is image closing minus the original image. Then subplot 1, 2, 1 image A, original image I am showing, and subplot 1, 2, 2 I am show ES, which is image after implementing black top hat transformation. Title is I means that particular size of the structuring element. Actually this particular image is image after implementing black top hat transformation, but to get the idea of the structuring element I am giving the title as the size of the structuring element itself. And each time I am using pause, that means it will go to next iteration if we press any key from the keyboard, then only, otherwise it will keep in pause mode. Okay, and end that. That's all. So let me just run Ctrl A, evaluate selection. Okay, so here is my original image, and first the structuring element having very small size, as a result it is very difficult to figure out the particular darker part in the brighter background. We will press any key from the keyboard, like I prefer to press spacebar. Let me press that and see here from 1 it became 2. Still it is not visible properly. Then I am making to 3, then I am making to 4. See, now slowly by slowly it is coming, right? Then 5, 6, 7, 8. See, for 30, which is our maximum structuring element size we have taken, how beautifully it is highlighting that part only which is darker in our original image, but it is surrounded by the whiter part or bright part, right? Like here for example these two lobes, if you consider, these are darker but surrounded by white part. Here in the output image those two are highlighted and the whiter part is darker, right? Here if you consider this one, observe this part, here this part is highlighted but this is darker. Here in the output reverse, this is highlighted but the brighter part in the input image are now darker, right? So this is what is very important application of black top hat transformation. I hope you have understood the importance of this. This is all for this video. Thank you for watching.